welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more videos. As you can see by the title, today I will be showing you my wash routine for my wig. For those of you who may want to know, this is Indian body wave hair, and the inches are 22, 24, and 26 with an 18-inch closure. I'm using Suave Essential shampoo and conditioner. I don't have a particular set that I buy. I just go in the store and pick up whatever I see. So let's get straight into it. I start off by putting the shampoo in the water to dilute the shampoo. I've heard for years that shampoo is bad for your real hair and your extensions. So my logic is if I don't put it directly on the hair, it won't strip my hair as much. And also I only use cold water on my wigs. So I just put the hair in the water to make sure all of it get wet, and I just massage the shampoo throughout the hair until I think it's clean. Also, you should pay attention to what color the water turns when you're washing your hair. It's supposed to stay clear or turn white from the conditioner and shampoo, or whatever color your shampoo is, it's supposed to be that color. In my case, if my water turned black, I have to go talk to the person I got my hair from, because that means something is definitely wrong. I pay special attention to the lace because there's glue on it, so all I do is rub the glue off with the water, and I also put shampoo on it to make sure it's clean. And I'm extra careful because the lace can rip and we do not want that. I'll continue this process until I think it's all clean, and then I wash all of the soap out of my hair, and I do the same thing with the conditioner. But unfortunately, you guys can't see that part because my camera cut off. But it's the same way. All I did was put the conditioner on my hair, and I massaged the conditioner through my hair, and I let the water rinse it off. The only thing I do differently with the conditioner is brush my hair while it's in there. So when the conditioner is in there, I take a weave brush or a paddle brush, whatever you guys call it, and I brush my hair from the tip to the root. And this will make sure that there's no shedding and there's no tangling once the hair is dry. And after that, I just let my hair air dry. I don't put it on a dryer. I don't use a blow dryer or anything like that. I just let it air dry. That's about it for my wash day routine. In the comments down below, let me know what you guys do differently with your hair. And also, if you have any tips on products that I can use on my weave, just let me know that too. Like I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye!